To start our bracket, we're going to start with a circle tool and draw a circle with a dimension of 3.5 inches, and it's going to get extruded back a depth of 0.75. Let's begin. I'm going to start new, standard IPT, click create. I'm going to start with a 2D sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to zoom all. I'm going to start with my circle tool at the origin. When I get a green dot, I'm going to stretch out this circle. And that first diameter was 3.5, 3.5 inches. Press Enter key. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to extrude going back direction number 2. I'm going to extrude a distance of 0.75. Click OK. Go home. Next, taking a look at my drawing, I'm going to locate the position of these 4 holes that are drawn around there. So I'm going to take and go back to my drawing, place a 2D sketch on the front view of my circle. I'm going to locate my 4 points. I want to make sure that they're locking to that X and Y axis. I'm going to locate one up here in the top at the 12 o'clock position, on the x-axis at the 3 o'clock position, on the y-axis at the 6 o'clock position, and on the x-axis the 9 o'clock position. Make sure they're locking on that x and y axis. Next, I want to take a dimension from the center to the point. Bring this dimension out. This dimension, taking a look at my drawing, is 1.38 inches. Going back to my drawing, I'm going to type in my dimension, 1.38, green check. Now I need to do the same for the other 3 points, 1.38, green check. From the center to my next point, 1.38, green check. From my center to the last point, 1.38, green check. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to use my hole tool, and let's take a look at my drawing. These 4 holes are 0.35 inches in diameter, and they go all the way through. Let's go back to our drawing. I'm going to go 0.35 inches, and I'm going to change my termination distance from distance to through all, and select OK. Next, I need to have this raised part here, and that's a diameter of 2 inches. Going back to my drawing, I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the front view. I'm going to create a circle from the center. Draw this out, type in a dimension of 2.0, press Enter. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude direction number 1, a distance of 0.75, select OK. Next, in the center of that hub, there's a hole that goes all the way through. It's a 1-inch diameter hole all the way through. Going back to my drawing, I'm going to get a 2D sketch, place it on my front view. I'm going to locate a point in the center of my origin. Since it's in the center, I don't need to dimension it. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to use my hole tool. Going back to my drawing, it is a diameter of 1 inch, and it goes all the way through. So I'm going to type in a diameter, 1.0, and I want to make sure my termination distance is through all. Click OK. The bracket part is done. We can change the default material from default all the way down to yellow. Go to my capital letter I in the upper left hand corner, the orange capital letter I, save as. Make sure this is going to your H drive. That's first initial last name 000. I'm going to title this part bracket. Click save.